In the first week of July 2024, 35 master students and 12 professors in microbiology from Belgium, Germany, France, Estonia, Switzerland and the Netherlands gathered in Namur for the first summer school of the European Network in Molecular Microbiology. This network, established in 2018 by the University of Namur, Philips University in Marburg and Aix-Marseille University, aims to foster student networking within a high-quality scientific environment. Through this event, the network expanded to welcome other partner universities. The summer school combined virtual sessions on data analysis and presentations with a whole week of various on-site activities. During this week, students took part in practicals in environmental molecular microbiology, blending field sampling and lab work under the guidance of professional researchers. Alongside the practical sessions, students attended a dozen lectures by leading investigators from current and prospective partner universities, covering a wide array of topics in molecular bacteriology and phage biology. Beyond the academic focus, the event included PI meetings on the network's future, a roundtable on the future challenges faced by women in science, and social activities like visits to the Namur Citadel and Orval Abbey. This summer school was a fantastic opportunity to expand the network, discuss science, and help master students to forge new friendships and potential collaborations.